If your feed is missing these beauties, you're not living your best bird life. Let's dive into the top 10 stunning birds you need to see. First up, the peacock. With its dazzling, colorful plumage, this bird is the king of courtship displays. Next, the Mandarin duck. It's like a walking rainbow with its striking head crest and bold patterns. Then, the tiny hummingbird. These little guys shimmer in the sunlight with their iridescent feathers. Don't miss the lyrebird. This Australian marvel sports tail feathers that look like a musical lyre. Say hello to the Scarlet Macaw. Bright red and oh so vibrant, these parrots are hard to miss. The bird of paradise is up next. Known for its elaborate displays, it's like nature's own fireworks show. Meet the ostrich, the largest bird on Earth, with powerful legs and a neck that goes on forever. The flamingo. With their pink feathers and long legs, these birds are pure elegance. Check out the Quetzal. Found in Central and South America, its long tail feathers are simply breathtaking. And lastly, the swan. With its graceful neck and white plumage, it's the epitome of elegance. So, which bird is your favorite? Let us know in the comments.